Welcome you all, students. Today we are going to learn about areas of morphology. This topic is from the subject Linguistics Part 1, English Code 102. This is our lecture number 15. We already have conducted 14 lectures in this lecture series program. What are the areas we are going to discuss and learn in this lecture are the morphemes, words, and allomorphs differences. So without a further ado, let's get started on today's topic. What is morphology? We already have learned about this term in our previous lecture, but we are going to repeat it so that we could understand what are the areas of morphology. It is derived from the Greek word morph, meaning form, and logos, meaning word. That's literally, we could say, it is the study of morphemes or word forms and structures in language. So within language, what are the word forms? How words are formed? What are morphemes? And structures likewise are known as areas of morphology or morphology. For example, the English word unfriendly is formed from friend by adding prefix un and suffix ly. So here in this example, unfriendly is a word, but this word is formed of three morphemes: friend, un, ly. So these are the three morphemes. So words are actually formed of morphemes, and morphemes are the smallest meaningful units in a language. Let's begin and talk about what the differences between these terms like word and morpheme. A word is a single unit of language, which means something and can be spoken or written. So any unit of language, that is actually a word that can be spoken or written. It means to say all the words in dictionary are actually words. We could say words. These are minimal units, morphemes, I mean to say, that cannot be further subdivided into meaningful units. So the most minimal units in a language that cannot be further subdivided in its meaning or grammatical function, that is known as a morpheme. For example, unlikely is a word, but this word is formed of three morphemes: un, like, l, y. Or here is other example, like the word is carpet, but this carpet is actually formed of three morphemes as car and pet. So this is actually an actual difference of words and morphemes. Here is another term which we are going to refer in the term morphology, and that is allomorph, or we could say in plural, allomorphs. So what are these allomorphs? In other words, it is an alternative pronunciation of a morpheme in a particular context. So morphemes, they may have different pronunciations. Or we could explain in this way, there are variations in the pronunciations of these forms, or there are variations in the pronunciations of morphemes are known as allomorphs. For example, the word cats so is pronounced with a sa. It means to say the morpheme in this word is a sa, letter sa. Our dogs, same sa morpheme is pronounced with za sound. It means to say there is variation of sounds, and it is having same morpheme sa, or even in the word boxes, sa sound is pronounced as is. So sa is a morpheme. It has a grammatical function, and this sa is actually pronounced in three variations. So there are three variated sounds of this morpheme. So we could say this variation in pronunciations is known as allomorph. So three morphs of one morpheme sa. These are allomorphs of the same morpheme. They have a different sounds but have the same meaning. So in this way, we could say this is actually one morpheme having three variations in pronunciation is known as allomorphs. Thanks for attention. Thank you very much. Hopefully this would have been very helping for all the students. Assalamu alaikum.